My question today is zero waste doable in the seafood industry? We know now that in many seafood countries, 40 to 50% of the fish is actually wasted. The byproducts of the fish, be the intestines, the skin, the bones, the heads, etc. These are perfect proteins that are wasted. We know that in the future, the waste is going to be much less. The future of the circular economy is, of course, that we will use some of these best proteins of the world, the sustainable proteins, the natural proteins. They will all become usable proteins for a world that is so needing of good proteins. So the question is just, can we speed up this process somehow? I believe we can. Iceland has been in the forefront of utilizing more of the byproducts of the whitefish. This has been done with a collaboration between entrepreneurs, academia, research and industry. And we are now realizing that around 80% of our fish is being used, while still many other countries are ranking between 50 to 60%. So there's a lot of opportunity here. What I would like to do is to take an example of the Icelandic cod, the North Atlantic cod. We catch around 60 million cods each year. And let me take you on a journey with just one particular cod. First, to begin with, what is very crucial here is that the new ship designs of from the Icelandic industry is such that we have different product streams. This is of course so crucial for the whole seafood process, as we have now the opportunity to separate from early stages these different products. So we can take the heads, we can take the liver separately, which means that the quality of these byproducts are quite different from what they are if they are all mixed up. In the process itself, there has been a revolution. Of course, with companies like Marel and Valka in the forefront, and Skaginn from Iceland and other countries as well. So we have seen only in the last 7 years where a company that did 8 tons of processing can now do with new technology 15 tons. But not only that, but also the fact is that the fillet themselves with these new laser technologies and other types of cutting technologies has increased in size by nearly 15%. So this leaves us with a fresh fillet sold for around $16. So now let's take the fish skin as an example. We are having all kinds of companies in Iceland that are developing different products, leather products, medical products, and collagen protein. Just the collagen protein now, we're taking around 3,000 metric tons of fish skin to develop around 300 metric tons of collagen protein, which is good for your joints and for your skin. And this is sold now for around $20 per kilo bulk retail product. Of the price of the collagen is around $80 if it's wholesale. So this means that we're moving closer to higher value of the fish continuously. The heads then, they are dried with geothermal power in Iceland and sold to mainly to African nations. And this increases the value of the cod significantly. The liver now can be processed bulk or manufactured into capsules. In Iceland we are doing both capsules and various omega products from the fish oil. So we can add at least $2 there to the cod that we have in question here. The rest of the fish, the gillet, the cuts, and the other valuable parts are also sold separately. Finally, we take the enzymes from the intestines. The enzymes in the Atlantic cod are quite amazing. They're good for the skin and for your joints as well. And they have huge opportunities, like so many other products from the fish in the biotech sector. Totally now we're up to nearly $30 for this one particular cod that we have in mind. We might do much better. We have doubled the value already, created value in jobs, and we have created value also in terms of just providing the world with better proteins, more proteins, the world that is so needing of pure natural proteins. Companies in Iceland and in Norway have been leading the way with the processing technology and various product development. I would like to see this mindset and this technology being brought into the aquaculture sector. So the salmon will be fully utilized before it is exported. So we will export the fillets and use all the byproducts from the salmon as well in various protein-rich products. So we have a lot of opportunity there as well. If the biotech sector is stepping into the seafood industry, which is happening right now, we will see a revolution, further revolution. We would not only be talking about the doubling of the value, we might triple it or even tenfold it. The opportunities are so huge, having in mind that we're talking about proteins that are the natural proteins that are so much in scarcity in this world. So is really no waste a possibility? I strongly believe it is. We in Iceland call it the incredible fish value machine. We know the machine is one thing, the mindset is probably the most important. We know that fishermen have been doing the same things for years and years. So we need to teach them, we need to get the culture on board the ships, that they realize the value in the byproducts. We need to also strengthen the market for byproducts. That's been a huge issue for us all around, to find ways to make it more efficient, the market with the byproducts. So the mindset is the most important. The circular mindset in the seafood industry is coming. It's coming slowly, but we can definitely increase the speed here. Connecting people is a good start. This is what the Iceland Ocean Cluster has been doing, and now expanding the cluster ideology all over. What we're trying to do is to connect people from academia, from marketing, from fisheries, from research, from the startup world, into observing all the opportunities. And we've shown that there is a potential here, and we've shown here that there's a possibility that by connecting people, we can definitely create much more value for coastal villages all around that have need for more jobs, for young generation being brought into the fishing industry all around to create value and create interesting opportunities for this new generation. So we can hurry the process. Let's do it together.